On behalf of Expert Village, I'm Terry, and today I'm going to show you how to use a handheld grinder. At this time, we're going to go over safety equipment and procedures for working safe. You always want to start off with a set of clear plastic, safety-approved glasses. They'll usually have a Z8F reading on the glasses if they're safety-approved. If they don't have the Z8F rating, then they're not shatterproof, so you get something in your eye. They also have. They also come in an amber color for if you're around welding to keep from getting blinded. Gloves is another piece is another good piece of safety equipment to have because if you're not using gloves, you know your grinder can slip off and they brace a wheel. I've seen fingers cut off or fingers ground clear to the bone. So gloves is a good thing to have. On most grinders, when you buy them, they'll have something built in like here. You have a switch that has to be released before the grinder will start up. On these two, so you don't lay them down on the table and they go off, they have a little safety switch. See, as does this one. This one here is just on and off. Anyway, it's always good to try to buy your equipment that have the safety features on it because you get in a hurry, you get to working, you lay it down on the table, there it is, and then it's wandering off and might cut your leg off or something. I don't like handles. A lot of people like handles and use two hands. I usually, but I found a lot of time this handle has kept me from getting my fingers in there. A lot of these type grinders will come with a shield, but you can't get your all-around grinding with that shield. If you can accomplish your work and what you need to do with the shield on it, then it's better to leave it on.